had a consultation with Louise, analysed her hair texture, the curl type, the density of hair, the natural amount of moisture she has in her hair. We have 2 products within the SEACURL line that we can use to style the hair for different results. Firstly, we have the SEACURL cream. The cream is hydrating, designed to create long-lasting curls, revitalizing the hair, fighting frizz, and restoring the elasticity. This is going to give us a soft, smooth, shiny finish with little hold. To decide how much cream to use for your hair type, what you should do is base your decision around how the product feels in the hair. Here I've used 1 pump of product, which will do 2 sections of Louise's hair, which is thick and fairly coarse in texture. Once you apply the product by massaging through your hands, squeezing into the ends first before working towards the roots, what we are looking for here is the hair to feel like it has a soft coating of the cream, but without any excess residue of product. If there is a residue of the white product on the hair that you can see, that's how you know you've used too much product on the hair, and it will therefore take too long for the hair to dry. Now the cream is applied onto the hair, you can see the softness, shine, and definition that it gives each curl. This is going to be the perfect product for those clients that need to promote the definition, softness, shine over hold.